Hey yo. Alright, got some mind notes here. Gonna go through some of them and hopefully fix some bugs. So, let's get started. Let's see. Okay, let's start with the Swordsoul. Oh, it's a level late, right? Yeah. So what does this say? Shouldn't be able to target a Gemini. Take another effect monster. Okay, that's it. So because it specifies effect monster, it cannot target a Gemini that hasn't been normal summoned again. So that's probably what this is about. Let's see. Yeah, it just uses negative monster, which doesn't inherently check that it's a type effect. So the fix should be pretty simple here, but I mean, from what I see, it needs modernization as well, but we'll do this afterwards. So, action. This one. Answer to move, single to go, delay. Most pattern is the same. If this card is synchro summoned. Set sword. So, yes. Rest of the filter checks. Disable unzip remove. Any Swordsoul card doesn't have to be a monster or anything. We just need to place this here. Custom string in this selection prompt from the deck. Now it is missing the operation infos. Since it's uncertain if you're gonna add the hand or banish, it need to be possible. And then on resolution, Select one. I need to update the strings probably for this, but that's fine. So select one and then to hand or banish, whichever one you pick. Okay, that seems fine. And then the negation. Negate the effects of one other master on the field. Disable, quick, target, free chain. Let me add get timings as well. So the target function, already kind of updated it. Needs to target a different one. So it excludes itself, okay. With this we can replace it for this get effects until the end of this turn, so and then the cost, what is the cost again? Banish something. Swordsoul card or Grandmaster from your hand or graveyard. Okay. Okay, this also does the spirit elimination thing. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it, I guess. Swordsoul or Worm, able to banish at cost, and it's in the hand or spirit elimination. Sure, okay. Sure, okay. Let me just test it real quick. Make sure I didn't break anything. Oh, made a typo. Setting timing. Okay, I need to fix the string for this. And this, but that's fine. So this should be the banish, okay. And then I should be able to use the effect, okay. But then the opponent's turn. Swordsoul card or Grandmaster from hand or graveyard. Out of graveyard. Target. Gate. Until the end of the turn. Okay. Looks fine. Let me just note me just make a note that I need to also update the string. Okay. Right, moving on. Which one shall we do next? Shouldn't equip itself if the opponent does not control the monster. Equip this card you control to that opponent's monster. That's probably it. Let's see. Equip. Should send the grave. Okay. So this is the target. Okay, so I just need to add another check here and it should be fine. Let's see its controller. So the target needs to be related face up. The opponent controls it and you have room. If any of those is not true, in this pattern, if this is not true, it goes to the graveyard. Okay. The rest of the script seems to be updated, and I'm pretty sure this card is pretty recent as well. So it should be fine in terms of how modernized the script is. Okay, that was a pretty small fix, so I'm not gonna test it. Yeah, there's no point testing, it's just a waste of time. Alright, so next up, we've got a couple of options. Let's go with, what's this, a Tenyi? Spirit thing. Should be able to target a monster that was a non-effect monster on the field, even if it's an effect in the graveyard. What's this say? Face-up non-effect is destroyed by battle effect. Binds this card. Take one of those, destroy monsters. Okay. Spell summon it, blah blah. So, presumably the issue is that you have like a non-effect monster on the field. It's destroyed, and then when it hits the graveyard, it's an effect monster. Or if it's banished, for example. And then it's not able to target it, but it should be. Let's see. Destroyed. Okay, it should be here. Okay, it's X is not effect monster, which means it's gonna check it both currently. It's gonna check it currently, not how it was in the field. It should check that it was in non-effect on the field instead. Which means not a spread type, open field, type effect. Right, non-effects. Okay. Let's look at the rest of the script now. Shthana, that seems fine. Spell summon. Discard from your hand. If you control no effect masters. Oh. Most patterns are different. Yes. Special ignition hand. There's no face-up effect master in your master zone. Seems fine. You got a room, discard them special summon, face up. No specific. No specific position or anything, so that's fine. And then special summon, destroy. Yeah, failed trigger. Face up, you control this job by battle card effect, so it needs the damage step flag, delay, target. Yep. Hand or graveyard. You've been destroyed. So you have room, and there is something in the event group. Okay, I also need to check this. So if it's destroyed at the same time as something else, it cannot do the thing, to use the effect. You should also need the flag then. Simultaneous flag. Let me find it real quick. This one. So what does it say? Destroyed by battle effect. Previous location master zone. Face up non-effect master you control, yes. Previous control TP so it was on your side. You control, yes. Previous position face up, it was face up, yes. It's not a token. It was not an effect master. Can be special summon, can be targeted. It's not in the extra deck, although I think this will be false because of this, right? Actually, I think this too. We'll test it, but and then on resolution, special summon it, then you can destroy one master. Your opponent controls, so it's related, you can special summon it successfully. And there's something in the opponent's master zone, and the player says yes because it's optional. Select something to destroy. Destroy it. Just highlight the selected card and I think that's fine. Oh, yeah, could also include a possible destruction. Mission info. Okay, so I want to test tokens, extra deck. Those two should not work. And then a Gemini normal should work. And then one of those noble knights that makes itself a normal monster. This guy, I think. This guy too, okay. Special summon it. Okay, so first of all, okay, I need Darklord as well. So 2 more cards. Okay, so I was correct. You don't need to specifically check that it's not an extra deck. I'm pretty sure I changed this to Wizard tokens a few months ago. Okay. And then Keen Mace should work. Okay. Banish. Okay. Special summon. Nothing to destroy, of course. Let's give something to the opponent to destroy. And let's see if... Oh wait, Darklord's gonna... Yeah. Now let's try... I'll do battle, I guess, for the Desert Destruction component as well. Crash with Key Mace on this. Okay. Seems to be fine then. Oh, the best effects, I guess. Component effect monsters. Okay, but if it's face down, works as well. And if I have this, it doesn't work. Also, if Key Mace is destroyed face down, it should not work. Oh, nice. I also want to update the string for this. Nice. Alright, which one to do next? There's this one which I didn't want to do yesterday. Let's do this one, sure. So this says diagnosis count the field to show their target. So rulings wise, the point here is because it says that target, it needs to still be an appropriate target on resolution. The distraction to actually go through. So if it's not set on the field still, when the effect resolves, it should not destroy. So for example, if you target face down and the opponent chains and activates it, it's face up now, it should not destroy. That's probably what this is about. As a fix, it should be simple. Here it needs to also check that it's face down, right? However, this script is so old from what I can see here. This script probably hasn't been updated in like 10 years or something. So I want to modernize the whole thing. So that's why I didn't want to do it yesterday. It was going to take a little bit of time. So let's do it now, I suppose. So this should be the token. So ID +1. Oops. But we could also do token. What's the name? Multi-token. It does ID +1 down here. Okay. Okay, activate one of these effects. In this case, there's no point must be battle, activate one of these effects. Make a second attack, or destroy set card, or spell summon the token. So, trigger F is mandatory, battle destroying. Why does it check that it's a monster? Does it not work if you destroy the trap monster or something? Let me check the rulings. Seems like a weird check to make there. Okay, if it destroys a trap monster, then this is gonna be false. I'm wondering if it's on purpose. So, load British Space Fighter. Doesn't activate if both are destroyed. I don't see any rulings. At least not on the official database. This Japanese text is pretty old. It's from 2012. Not super old, but I don't see how. I'm gonna remove it. I don't see why. It doesn't say. If it said it's chosen upon master and sent to the graveyard, then it needs to still be a master in the graveyard, yes. But with how it's worded right now, I don't think so. So I'm gonna remove the check. I wonder if this is needed even, to be honest. We'll test it. It might be for if both are destroyed at the same time. So let me just do this for now. So first of all, let's fix the order here. Like, why are they in this? Why is the first one here? And then, like, what the hell is this one? Oh, sorry. Should be here. Okay. Attack. If there's a target and it's face down still, destroy it. And 3, if you have room and you can summon this token, which is a level 4 light machine, 12/12. Then summon stuff. Okay. We only did this in here. Okay. Alright, so then this part is the one that's gonna be the most different when we're done. So we're done true because it's mandatory, so it's gonna always activate. But then you can only select an effect that you can actually, apply. Let's go with Sliding Storm is an easy go-to card that says activate one of these effects. It has modern way to do stuff. Okay. So B1, you can chain attack, second attack in a row. B2 is a face down target on the field. B3, there's a room where you can summon. Okay, seems fine. Don't think we need this. Then you pick one of the 3. Set the label. So if we do the second effect, we need to set the category. Oops. Wait, what did I do? Okay. Category destroy, target, select the target, operation info. If we do the third effect, no property, but we are doing special and token category. I think these are fine then. Okay, so the property in the category changes depending on which effect we chose to activate, essentially is the idea. So they need to be volatile in that sense. Last thing is this. Which seems fine. On field face down. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna test the effect in general, and also we need to test this thing. If both monsters are destroyed by battle, it should not trigger. Okay, so luckily it has 1200, this has only 1000, so that works nicely. Silent will be once again proving why it's so good for testing. So now I should be able to do the second attack and the special summon. Okay, well, there's an error. 27. Oh, right. I did the replace thing, so. That's it, that'll work. But okay. Might be from some random video game, I guess. Then Tiger wants to call it right. Okay. Now let's test the mutual destruction. Is there something that gives 200 attack, like random equip or something? Whatever, I'll just do Space Fighter on both sides, that's fine. Okay, so we need this, I think, for the to prevent this from happening. That's fine. No biggie. True. Just doing one last check. Let's see, what else? Let's do this too, which have the same issue. Should destroy itself if it's fatal resolution plus missing category. Now I don't remember exactly what this is about, but we'll see. During the end phase, if this effect was used to destroy this card. Right, so this, even if it's face down after this effect triggers, it should still destroy itself. I don't see why it shouldn't, so that's the one thing. and the other guy should share the problem. I think it works similarly, right? In the interface is, yep. I think somebody updated these cards recently, somewhat recently, so... And I noticed that, and I noted it down when I noticed it, but, because I see other things like this, and it's pretty modern, so... Now, what was the other thing? Missing category. Missing category. Oh, this effect misses a category. Yeah, the destruction effect doesn't have the category. Okay. Oops. Yep, should be it because everything else has categories. Yeah, okay. Okay. We got 3 more notes here. I wonder if we can get all 3 of them done. But technically these are 2 cards here though. Let's go with these first. So the master is destroyed if this card affects any game when there's a field? Question mark. Second on it. So what does this say? Continuous trap. Take on normally the graveyard, pass into its position. When this card is a field destroy, okay, it's probably this button. Must destroy this card. Let's test it first of all. Negate, so I guess we'll the 3. And then let's go Space Typhoon, get rid of it. So what should happen now, based on Call the Haunted rulings, is that if this card now leaves the field, the master should not be destroyed. Because its effects are currently negated, and it does get destroyed, so that's it. Now the question is, what does Call the Haunted do? Because presumably Call the Haunted works correctly. There's this extra part here. Let's see. There we go. That's it. Then also checks the label here. Okay. I see. Honestly, I could just copy this though. Completely right. Let's get us a feature of the master. The master is good. Let's say the master. Yeah, I could literally copy everything about this. Like so, and it's gonna save us some trouble. Let's modernize this a little bit. String ID. Guess I'm gonna debate. Do I get free chain? Check. Okay. So it targets a normal in my graveyard. Summons it in defense position. SP filter. Normal can be spell summon defense. Special summon, set target, complete. Okay, seems fine. This card leaves the field. Destroy the monster, and when that monster is destroyed, destroy this card. So this checks if it's currently disabled. If it is, it sets the label to 1, otherwise it's 0. So we could do this now. Make it a little simpler. Make it a single line. And 1 or 0. And the point is that this effect has the cannot disable flag, so it cannot be negated itself. Otherwise it won't work. And then when it does leave the field, it executes the SOP, or it checks the label, and destroys the monster. The monster is destroyed, destroy this card. Okay, I guess I'm gonna test it real quick again, of course, but it should be fine. Unless I made some random typo somewhere. Okay, nice. Also, I suppose if the monster is destroyed, trap should also remain there. Okay, nice. Yeah. And then the other card, I think it has the same. I mean, I have them together here, so they probably have the same problem. What does this say? Target binds Dark Monster, spell summon the target. When this card leaves the field, destroy that target, and you need to banish it. When the target is destroyed, destroy this card. So it's the same, except for it destroys and banishes rather than just destroying. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. Skip Dark Dimension, which means we can copy a lot of stuff, which makes our life easier. Face up dark, special summoned. We also need to check face up because cards can be banished face down. If it's face down, banished, we shouldn't be able to target it. Got room, target, banished. Okay, this does this relation thing as well for some reason. Why though? Yeah, that's not really used anywhere, so I'm just gonna ignore it and just go with what this does instead. Fix the position, and then the destruction stuff. The only difference should be the banish thing, which is done this way. Okay. Self-destruction is the same, and then this we're gonna copy from the other card. Yeah, okay. Everything should be exactly the same. 2, 3, 4, okay. Oops. Alright, let's test it as well, but should be fine. A gold sark and a dark monster. Got something, okay. Okay. There's one thing I want to check, because the text does say that target here. And like I explained earlier, that generally means that it needs to still be a valid target on resolution. Now, there isn't a way to actually change the attribute of a monster that's banished, at least not right now, so maybe in the future there is, but there will be. But I want to check the Japanese text to make sure that this could be an invention of the English text. Banish. Let me check the Japanese text. Escape. I think I'm gonna stop the stream after this one. By the way, it's like an hour almost, which is nice. Target's face up. Cannot use it downstairs. Okay, and then that's the text itself. So how old is it? 2020. Okay, it's pretty modern. Okay, just says special summon that monster. So this is like an invention of the English text. Yeah, okay. So this saying that target here, it's not in the Japanese text. Like in the Japanese text, you would say destroy that. Oh no, sorry. Special summon the dark monster or something. For it to be that target, it doesn't say that. It just says special summon that monster. Now there isn't any way to actually change the attribute of the banished monster right now, so there's no relevant scenario for this or something. But just something I wanted to make sure to double check. Okay, so these two are fine now. Oops. Shouldn't be destroyed. If this cause effects, I get it. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna end it here. The stream I'm in. I fix some things. It's almost an hour, so which I'm pretty happy about. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.